The weather outside might be frightful, but the real estate market in Communications Hill is white hot. This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to another 2-minute drill for Communications Hill, where we go over all things real estate related for Q4 of 2020 in 2 minutes or less. But before we get into the data and before we get into the numbers, if you are a home seller in Communications Hill today, pricing your property, as you will see the numbers implicate, that pricing strategy absolutely matters right now. And aside from marketing, it is the most important thing. But when you work with us, marketing is no problem. So pricing is definitely the most important thing. And if you want help with that, go ahead and text the word COMHILL, C-O-M-M Hill data, COMHILL data to the number down below. We'll get you a very comprehensive data set that will assist you in pricing your property effectively. And it's not what you're seeing here. There's so much more than what you're just seeing here today that will help guide you and aid you in that pricing decision. And now, if you are a home buyer in today's market and you're looking for a comprehensive data set to help you win, as you will see, the market here is so competitive that you really need every ounce of data possible to help you make the best decision possible. Make sure that you're not giving away any of your money. So go ahead and text the word COMHILL buyer to the number down below, and we will get you very comprehensive data set for the areas that you're looking in. Anyways, guys, let's get into the data. We're gonna start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so want to start out with the single-family sector here and Communications Hill. Lots to share. There are significantly more homes right now being sold than on the market. We have 26 homes that were sold in September versus 17 homes that are currently on the market. That kind of disparity right now tells us that leading into Q4, leading into October, the market is extraordinarily healthy. We can expect that momentum to at least carry us through to a really good seller's market through the end of October. Let's see how the election plays out and how that affects the market, but we can expect, at least for the first month or so, for Q4 to be extraordinarily hot for home sellers. Now, if you're in the condo and townhome sector, we're looking at a slightly different, but almost the same number of homes sold. 28 homes sold versus 19 on the market. So the delta there, the difference is still so heavily skewed in sellers' favor, that I expect leading into the first third of Q4 that will definitely continue to be the narrative. After the election, let's see how everything shakes out. But then leading into Q1 of next year, I definitely expect these numbers to be fairly similar to where they're at right now. The inventory levels might be a little bit lower, and the overall sales volume might be a little bit lower, but that disparity, that delta, is still going to be around the same difference. Now, and the other thing I wanted to look at is the list price to sales price ratio. Single family sector, 104%, meaning that sellers right now are pricing their homes under and allowing the market to drive it up. But in the condo and townhome sector, list price to sales price ratio is 100%, which means that pricing your property under is not really always the best move, because buyers are accustomed to paying on average, that's my timer. They're accustomed to paying on average around list price, maybe give or take a couple percentage points, but that underpricing strategy to drive up and get 15, 20 offers isn't really the case here in Communications Hill. Anyways, folks, that is all the time we have. Time is up. As you can see, though, if you're a buyer right now in Communications Hill, it's extraordinarily difficult to get your offer accepted. Luckily, my team has a strategy, has a formula that helps our buyers over 75% of the time get their very first offer accepted. And if you're looking for the formula, if you're looking for the secrets that help you get that property on the very first try, go ahead and text the word winning to the number down below, and we'll give you that formula. We'll give you the strategy that helps you get from where you are now to where you want to be, and doesn't leave you with 6 months of tumultuous, arduous home buying process that a lot of buyers right now are accustomed to experiencing in Silicon Valley. Anyways, guys, this is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group, and I will catch all of you in the next 2-minute drill.